Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to our video. In this part, we'll break down the topic step by step and explain the key ideas in a clear and simple way. If you've ever bitten into a truly Chicharrones Pork Crispy and heard that clean crackle, you know why people chase it. Chicharrones are crispy pork skin, sometimes with a thin layer of fat attached. When they're done right, they're salty, airy, and ridiculously snackable. The good news is you don't need special gear. You just need the right skin, smart prep, and a method that matches your kitchen. In this guide, you'll learn what to buy, how to prep pork skin so it puffs instead of chews, and how to cook chicharrones using two reliable approaches, the oven method and frying. You'll also get easy seasoning ideas and storage tips so they stay crunchy. What to buy for the crispiest chicharrones, and what to avoid. Chicharrones can mean a few things depending on where you shop, so it helps to know what you're actually getting. For homemade chicharrones, look for fresh pork skin, raw skin, usually with some fat still on it. This is the starting point if you want that blistered, bubbly texture. Some butcher cases label it as pork skin, pork rind, or skin on pork fat. Ask for skin with a little fat attached, not a thick slab of meat, unless you want meatier bites. Also know the difference between fresh skin and store-bought pork rinds. Bagged pork rinds are already cooked and puffed. They're great for quick snacking, but they're not what you cook from scratch. If your goal is fresh, hot chicharrones, skip the bag and buy raw skin. What to avoid? Wet, slimy skin with a strong smell. Fresh pork should smell clean. Skin that's been soaked in brine, extra moisture makes crisping harder. Very thick skin with lots of meat attached. If you want fast puffing, it can still work, it just takes longer. A final setup tip. Plan on paper towels, a sharp knife for scoring, and a rack for baking. Crunch starts before heat ever hits the pan. Fresh pork skin versus pork belly with skin, which one works better? Both can make excellent chicharrones, but they eat differently. Fresh pork skin, mostly skin with a thin fat layer, makes a lighter, airier crunch. It puffs more easily and gives you that classic bubbly look. It also seasons evenly, since there's no thick meat to slow things down. Skin on pork belly gives meatier bites with a richer pork flavor. The trade-off is time. Belly needs more rendering before the skin can truly crisp, and if the belly is thick, the skin may blister unevenly unless you manage heat carefully. Butcher tips that help. Ask for skin cut into 2-inch pieces so it's easy to handle. If you're buying belly, look for even thickness so it cooks at the same pace. Thicker skin often needs longer drying and a longer render stage, or it stays tough. Prep that matters most. Drying the skin, scoring, and salting. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. If the surface stays wet, the skin steams instead of blistering. That wraps up part 1. We've covered the basics to help you understand the topic better. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.